fix it, verification code, OTP, and other such type of messages not receiving on your iPhone. If you are facing such type of issue, here are the fix. Tap on settings and go to messages settings, tap on it, and here first disable iMessages and wait for some times and again re-enable iMessages and check whether your verification code or not. Such some more fixes are here. Scroll down and tap on unknown and spam. Tap on it and filter unknown sender. Disable this feature. And also SMS filtering set as none. Thereafter again go back and on this page tap on blocked contacts and check if any contacts which you want to receive message is blocked or not. If blocked, then unblock from here. Simply swipe left and try to send messages here and unblock this contact list from here. The next fixes is again go back and tap on scroll down and disable do not disturb feature. If you have enabled do not disturb feature on your iPhone, then simply disable this feature. And to disable, you can see do not disturb is turned on. So simply disable this feature first. Because sometimes if do not disturb feature is enabled on your phone, then such type of OTP or verification code you will not receive on your iPhone. So you must disable simply if you found messages app here enlisted, then simply remove it and allow notification enable it and search do not disturb here and disable this feature from here. Do not disturb focus and disable this feature. Now you will receive notification as well